you know, how would I even know, or how would one person even know when the clutch is you know, going bad? I actually read online that if the clutch is going bad, it'll feel spongy. Is that true?
Yeah. I don't think it should feel spongy. I mean, I think I get what you mean, that you're putting it down and it feels like your engagement point is really long. Like you're not in control of it, it's engaging perfectly. In my opinion, that could either be the clutch or it could be the hydraulics, because the clutch is hydraulically controlled. And if you're starting to have any kind of air get into the system, the clutch is going to feel a little bit more spongy. And also, if it's not disengaging properly, it could be the clutch. I had one truck I inspected once, and when I turned it on, I was trying to press the clutch and get it to go, and it was nothing. Like I was coming on and off of it, nothing. And then I noticed once it did start to engage, when I would release the clutch in a gear, it would always do the perfect rev match.
Impressive.
Now, I'm not talking about what we have with new cars, where new cars will do the rev match for you. This car would just so slowly release the clutch onto the flywheel that there was never a jerk, even if you more or less jumped off the clutch.
Oh, wow.
But I don't feel that was the clutch on it. I feel that was more that the hydraulics were just worn out and something else was sticking. But that truck was such a shit show, dude. Oh my lord, it was unique how many things were wrong on it and how much the seller still wanted for it, because the dude was still asking like $4,000 for it, and it had so many things. Just if you lock the door when you're inside, you need to call somebody to open the door for you and let you out.
Wow, that's insane.
It was next level sketchy.
Yeah, it sounds like it. I had to get the door locks repaired on my car, on the current car right now. Also, it wasn't fun.
That is a pain in the ass.
The cylinder needed to be replaced. The actuator was broken, so it wasn't fun. But
God damn.
yeah. But hey,
She really needed some love.
yeah, I mean, when you get a car that's 21 years old and 200,000 miles, I guess what can you expect? So.
Fair. You know, some people don't like that. They're like, all right, I got 3,000, I want a perfect car. And it's like, no, just expect you're gonna have to, since you're saving money on the initial price, you're gonna have to give it some love that the previous person neglected.
Yeah. But all in all, I mean, you know, pretty dependable car. I mean, I think it's a decent car to learn on. So.
When I had my Civic, I had it for 8 years. The amount of things on there that I fixed, I could not quantify you. Radiator fan, shocks, starters, valve cover gaskets, a clutch replacement. Anyway, the list was long because I beat the living hell out of it, so did students. And I remember once when I broke up with a previous girlfriend of mine, I was kind of depressed. I just picked up a really, really clapped out Civic, same generation, a coupe. This thing was miserable, bro. It literally had a broken strut. The strut was severed, like the cylinder part on it was broken. The door didn't open, the trunk didn't close. Radiator fans, again, that's a weak point. Anyway, I remember just having the experience from fixing my regular lesson Civic. I felt so confident buying that Civic. I bought it eventually for like $900. The guy wanted, I think, $1,600 out of the gate. But after I just explained to him politely everything that's wrong with it, he met me at $900 on it. And it drove still, but I felt lucky to be alive when I got home, because I drove it from Williamsburg to Sheepshead Bay in Brooklyn. That was the sketchiest drive of my life.